If you are feeling overwhelmed, you are not alone.
More Americans than ever before are being stressed and depressed. News 12 Long Island's Christina Renaud tells us about the results of a new study.
Recovery is a journey.
Emily Sussman of Bayport lives with bipolar, anxiety, and seasonal affective disorders. She was diagnosed at 20 years old in her junior year of college.
Dr. Ginny Hines was one of my education professors and noticed the vast difference in my personality when I showed up for class, dressed and answering questions and raising my hand, and when I showed up in pajamas.
Sussman is among the millions of Americans who have battled with mental illness. And in a new study, researchers from NYU Langone Medical Center say they found that more Americans than ever before are suffering from serious psychological distress, or SPD. 3.4% of the population, or more than 8.3 million adults. Now, the study not only looks at the number of Americans in psychological distress, it also points to the growing demand for mental health services and the country's inability to meet that demand.
Some of that slack is being picked up by the nursing profession and physicians' assistants and social workers and psychologists. But in terms of the prescribing, there's still a huge gap because of the lack of psychiatrists.
Sussman got into the field herself as a rehab and recovery practitioner here at the Association for Mental Health and Wellness, working to help those who are fighting a similar battle.
To be able to sit down with someone who says, I know where you've been. I've been there. I know the way out.
Now, researchers say based on the findings, they estimate millions of Americans are functioning in a state that will lead to a lower quality of life and life expectancy and may help explain the suicide rate. Stone?